How is everyone? I thought I would come in and share some things with you all. The weather. I spoke of the weather the last time or the time before. Wow. Wow, it's been very like 2020-ish. Right about now. Some places are so cold that they say or going to be so cold that they say the antifreeze in your car can damage your motor. Perhaps you should put a blanket on your car. They didn't tell you that, but just a thought. Anyway, a few blankets on your car to prevent that from happening. I came to share some rings for the finger that I created. These are brass and copper. One has a amethyst stone in it. Various sizes. They probably size 6 to maybe 7.5 or 8. And each one, as you can see, hopefully, is one of a kind. I also thought I would wear it more on my fingers. Different ones. No bracelets today. There. Different ones for you to see. Just thoughts of a nice little stocking stuffer. I know it's not Christmas, Xmas, the time that people run out and try to spend all the money they have left from the previous year buying gifts for people. But a stocking stuffer because Valentine's Day, and if you're buying a gift for yourself or a lover, or recommending a gift to a brother friend, a brother, a father, stockings would be a nice gift with a ring inside. A handcrafted ring, a goddess ring, a queen's ring, at least crafted by and channeled by the hands of the Queen Mother Goddess Opulence. Ra Inter, keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace. Like I said, I just came in to do that. I was going to do it live, but I wanted to make sure that the visuals were good enough. Also, this necklace, which is lace agate, and this is turquoise and crystal. And this is for the throat chakra, for the thyroid energy, opening up the voice to speak your truth, if to no one else but yourself. And the bracelet, of course, will go with one of the rings or 2 of the rings if you choose. Stocking stuffers, just something to think about. All right, keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Do like, if you like. Do subscribe, if you will. Then you'll know when I'm coming again, because it's random. It's real random. You got to do it when you feel it, and to be able to have that freedom to flow that way is such a blessing. So I'm grateful for that. And comment. Communicate with me. I know telepathy is magnificent. ESP and first eye opening connection, all that works for me. But on this platform, the best way, these platforms, the best way is to write a comment. And at this point in time, I am able to address them one way or the other. Take care, stay warm, stay healthy, happy. Until we meet again. And even after then, joy to the world. Namaste, Hotepu, Ashe.